Sofia Vergara didn't let the rain in Los Angeles keep her inside on Thursday as she stepped out for a spa appointment. The 51-year-old America's Got Talent judge, who hung out with co-star Heidi Klum on Wednesday night, wore a navy blue sweater and jeans for the outing. The mother of one added height to her frame with a pair of towering, open-toe, black platform heels. She carried a timeless blue Chanel purse while on the move in West Hollywood. Her honey blonde locks were arranged in a middle part and ironed straight as they fell over her chest. Topping her outfit, the Columbia-born entertainer added a long black puffer coat. She was active on social media as well, dropping in on Instagram to share 2 new posts with her 32. "2 million followers." Her first post was a throwback image of her as a little girl clad in a red and white polka dot dress with white ruffled trim. She looked adorable as she flashed a huge smile and wore a long, beaded necklace while dancing. In the caption she wrote, #TBT Carnaval de Barranquilla. A second post showed the modern family alum enjoying a date with her 2 female cousins, Rosalila and Mariana. She captioned the image of the trio sitting at a dining table, Prima's lunch, with 3 Christmas tree emoji. Vergara looked typically stunning with a full face of makeup, and she rocked multiple rings, a watch, and bangles. Late last month news broke that Sofia is being sued by Reside Custom Homes, who allege she failed to pay a bill for construction done on her home. They claim she owes them over $1,700,492.64. In a statement to DailyMail.com, Stephen E. Foster said on behalf of RCH, Reside Custom Homes was forced to sue Ms. Vergara for money that she has owed to RCH since March 2023 and that she promised RCH she would pay. Speaking with TMZ, Marty claimed his client was actually the first one to send a demand letter. He says the letter was submitted on October 4. Marty added that the claims were never disputed by Reside, who are now suing Sofia.